If you love playing Wild Rift and Huawei user ka kagaya ko, there's a good chance na nagkakaproblema ka each time magkakaroon ng update. Kasi nga wala kang access sa Google Play Store and hindi rin siya available sa Huawei App Gallery. Sa video na to, I'm going to show you how to install League of Legends Wild Rift on your Huawei phone. A quick reminder lang bago tayo magsimula. 100% working lahat ng steps by the time I upload this video. If ever in the future may mga steps or links na ayaw nang gumana, normal po yan kasi workaround lang to lahat. So, pwedeng today gumagana pero in a couple of weeks or months hindi na. Huwag kayong mag-alala kasi nag-upload ako ng mga updated tutorials regularly. So, don't forget to subscribe para lagi kayong updated. Okay, with that being said, start na tayo. First step is to go to the Huawei App Gallery. Sa search box, type in Gbox and then click install. Pag na-install na, click open. You will then see this dialog box. Just click agree to proceed. So, ito yung interface ng app natin. We have the Play Store icon right here. And sa baba niya, yung mga recommended apps like Google, YouTube, and Gmail. Steady press natin yung Play Store icon and then paglabas ng options, click Create Shortcut. Swipe up and sa home screen, we can see na may clickable icon na tayo ng Play Store. Click this to open and then log in with your username and password. Sa search box, type natin Wild Rift and then click on install. Open natin para ma-check kung gumagana. Pag open natin ang app and napunta na kayo sa part na to, don't panic. Kasi medyo matagal lang talaga siya mag-initialize. Sa last video ko kasi, may mga viewers na nag-comment na na-stuck daw sila sa part na to ng loading screen. Chill lang kayo. And then wait for 15 to 20 minutes. Then pag okay na, mamili lang kayo dito sa mga login options. Now let's try to play a quick game to check kung may ma-encounter tayong errors. Sa experience ko, may mga times na tumataas yung ping and naglalag ako in-game. So make sure to finish downloading all the required files para mas maging smooth yung gameplay nyo. So that concludes our tutorial and I hope nakatulong sa inyo. If you have questions or suggestions, leave a comment down below and I'll make sure to reply. So that's it. See you in the next one.